welcome to another Machine Monday. Behind us is a machine that we've got that's currently in ghost mode. And I wanted to share with you a little bit about what ghost mode is. As you can see, the machine is running with no parts in it. And the reason why we do that is we want to actually test the line without the cost and expense of parts. So what we're doing over here is we run the line for 24 hours without parts. And while we do that, we check a couple of things. We obviously check the mechanical integrity of the machine to see whether all of the grippers and moving parts are intact. We also check the cycle time of the line, so you can see it's actually running at full speed, so we can actually predict what is the real cycle time of the machine once parts are actually in there. And we also check things like data integrity. Is the data being passed from station to station at the correct speed? Are there any holdups and bottlenecks from a data perspective? So here's another Machine Monday.